Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sheen Talks. Guys, hope so that all of you are fine at your homes and thank you so much for supporting me and loving me so much. The topic for today's video is let it go and just move on. Let it go the things that happened in your past. The things that are not happening as you want, just let it go. If you want to be free, stop locking yourself in the prison of your past. If you want to see the light, if you want to see the brightness, stop holding yourself in the darkness of your past. If you really want कि just you wanna move on in your life, if you really want कि you wanna just forget everything which has happened in your past, just release the heavy weight from your back and relax yourself. Just let the things go which were just like a disaster in your life, because sticking to that thing will really destroy your future too. Like if you know कि this thing is wrong, अगर तुम्हें पता है कि वो गलत है and तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कुछ हो भी गया like a disaster and it's very difficult for you to believe that, but what happened कि वो तुम्हारे सामने चीज आ चुकी है and now sticking to that thing only will affect you very badly. तुम्हें सब पता चल गया then also you are just stuck to that thing, so that is not good. तुम्हें क्या करना है, just let the things go and just move on. Just you move on and just create a best life for yourself. अगर अब एक example देखें, you don't allow a thief to just enter in your house and take the things away, and just even you don't allow them to stay rent free. Then why you allow anyone from outside or anyone other or your bad thoughts yourself कि just they take the joy from your life, just they take the happiness from your life and just they destroy your life. Why you do that? जब तुम एक चोर को ही नहीं घर में आने देते तो तुम कैसे अपनी लाइफ में just make someone enter in your life and just then they destroy your life. तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, don't have to stuck that thing. जब तुम्हें पता है कि वो चीज हो गया, कुछ ऐसा था that has happened and now just nothing was linked to that. So you have to just move on, just let it go. If the people are doing bad with you, they will do more bad if you will just invade them in your life, if you will allow them, if you will just you will make them कि हाँ भाई ये बंदा तो मुझे लाइफ में आने दे रहा है, तो then they will destroy your life more like a virus and this will affect your life very badly in and every area. तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, when someone did a bad thing with you, just you have to make yourself a strong person. तुम्हें जो है ना you know behave like you are a strong person. The best way of taking the revenge from that person is making yourself more stronger and just letting the things go. Because जब तक तुम चीजों को जाने नहीं दोगे and just you will stuck to that thing, तो फिर क्या होगा, you will just think for that thing again and again. और तो पर्सन होगा जिसने इंटेंशनली तुम्हारे साथ गलत किया होगा या फिर विदाउट इंटेंशन भी गलत हो गया होगा, बट मैं बेसिकली उसकी बात करूँ जो इंटेंशन से होगा, तो उसकी लाइफ इतनी इफेक्ट नहीं होगी जितनी तुम्हारी होगी. तो लेट द थिंग्स गो, बिकॉज जब इफ द पर्सन दैट हैड डन इंटेंशनली द थिंग्स विद यू, अगर वो तुम्हें बुरा मतलब विल सी यू इन अ बैड कंडीशन और इन अ जस्ट लाइक bad situation, so he'll be very happy. So the thing you have to just move on, because it is the best way of taking the revenge. It will make you win. It will just make you happy if you will just move on and just you will go letting the things go and showing yourself that you are strong enough and to will make you a new life and will make you enjoy the things regardless of what had happened in your life. ठीक है, so just don't go on the things that किसी ने what had something had did a wrong thing with you, what had happened. तुम्हें ये सब नहीं सोचना and just move on and focus on the good things. Focus on the good things that you wanna that you want कि they occur in your future. Don't cheat your future because of your past. अपने past की वजह से अपने future को मत cheat करो. मैं एक ही चीज बोलूंगी कि don't stuck to that thing. If something had happened, just let it go. Because so many things happen and कोई ऐसे क्या बोलूं कि मुंह से पैर नहीं होता किसी चीज का, and so many things happen with yourself and you just wanna let them go. Because अगर तुम उनको जाने ही नहीं दोगे and you will stuck to that thing, that will only affect you very badly and you have to suffer from that thing very badly. So the thing was that कि don't suffer with the things, because the thing that will suffer the most is only you, not someone else. Just make yourself free from all the things. Happy रहो, खुश रहो. just I'll say commit to yourself, commit to your future, and this will be a really healthy, good one. And don't with someone else. And if you have resentments and you see running yourself as you are winning, it will only be when you will let it go. And someone has said that the key to a good life is this: if you are not going to talk about something during the last hours of your life, then don't make it a top priority during your lifetime. Be happy, because everything happens because of a reason. Because if something had happened in your life and it was really disastrous and very bad, there was really a logic behind that thing which you will just realize after some times. जब तुम्हें देखोगे ना कि शॉर्ट रन में यू आर हैप्पी विद दैट, बट तुम्हें लगा उस वक्त तो दैट वाज रॉन्ग, बट जब तुम बाद में in future you will really think कि यार the thing that was happened with me was really good. अगर वो ना होता, what will मेरे साथ future में क्या होता. तो just leave the things behind and don't stuck to the things that are not related to your future, or that are not just destroying your life, or that are just distracting you from everything. Just let it go, let the people go, let everything go, let every bad negative thoughts go, let everything go, and just lay down and just relax yourself and just release the heavy burden which are taking in your mind, your thoughts which are just killing you from inside. And at last but not least, I wanna say, leave the darkness of your past behind so you can focus on lighting in the light of your future. अपनी बुरी चीजों को पीछे ही छोड़ दो ताकि तुम अपने फ्यूचर को ब्राइट कर सको. तभी मैंने बोला था कि डोंट चीट विद योर फ्यूचर बिकॉज ऑफ योर पास्ट. बिकॉज जस्ट तुम्हारा इन फ्यूचर, अगर तुम उसी चीज में स्टक रहोगे, परेशान रहोगे, तो तुम्हारा फ्यूचर बहुत ज्यादा मोल्ड हो जाएगा. जो तुम चाहते हो ना वैसा नहीं होगा. इट विल गिव अ वेरी बैड मोड. तो दैट वाई ओनली आई वांट टू से कि जस्ट मूव ऑन, लेट द थिंग्स गो, लेट द पीपल गो. ठीक है, बिकॉज द बेस्ट पर्सन फॉर यू, आई थिंक ओनली यू, जितना आई नो. एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. अपना ध्यान पहले रखो. एंड होप सो कि आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड प्लीज subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and share please. Bye.